Hi, friends. My name is Wendy with Love and Stampin, and I'm here with.
Katina. I am Katina from Katina Martinez.
And we're both excited to be here because we are going to talk just a little bit about this paper party course that everybody has questions about. Yeah, let's dive in. We're going to talk about our favorite things in the course, and you might learn a little tip or two during our talk. And we're going to tell you how to get the course and how to get the best deal on the course. So, if you're a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, you're going to want to hang out and watch this. If you're not a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, you can still hang out and watch this.
You can
Um,
still hang out with us.
we won't kick you out. And actually, funny thing, even if you're not a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, you might want to buy the course
You
because
might.
there are a whole bunch of past PDFs in the course from
Oh
past
my gosh,
paper
that's a
parties,
really amazing idea. Yeah,
right?
we do.
So you're still getting a better value by purchasing the course and getting all those PDFs. So anyway, just a
Totally.
food for thought.
Bonus tip.
Um, so we are going to share our favorites, and I think we are going to share one other thing. I can't remember what
Yeah,
else.
I
But
remember.
anyway,
So it'll be a surprise at the end. Hang
we'll
out with
dive
us.
in. Okay, so one of my very favorite things in the course that I created was the pricing and timeline. So one of the things that I know that people struggle with so much, because I used to struggle with it, is how to price an event.
Oh,
So
it's my
even
downfall. It is the
it,
thing that I hate the most, putting together any event.
yes, anytime Katina and I partner for anything, I always am the one that does the pricing because I enjoy it. One, I love budgeting. If you've been around my channel at all, you know that. And then two, I have a little bit of a knack for that. I'm not going to say I'm great at it, but I've got a pretty good knack for it.
You also
So
enjoy it, so
I
that
do.
makes a difference.
I do enjoy it. I enjoy that aspect. So I have a whole video plus a PDF that breaks down how to price an event. And while we focus on a paper party, this really can be applied to any event that you are doing. We have this really cool PDF that you can print, and it has the formulas on it. So all you have to do is plug in your numbers, and then you get your outcome. It's super easy.
And you
And
won't be scared anymore. Like, did I price this right? Am I going to lose money on it? You're going to know exactly what to do.
yeah, I mean, I think one of the number one downfalls I see with people when they are running a business is they underprice. They undervalue themselves and they get scared. They get that. If you've ever had that feeling like, if I price it at this, nobody's going to buy it. That is a really common problem among female entrepreneurs. I mean, it happens with males too. I'm not saying it doesn't. I'm just saying it's a trend with female
Yeah.
entrepreneurs. They tend to undervalue themselves, or they do what I call desperation pricing. And I'm the queen of that. I used to do it all of the time, where it was like, I'm desperate for somebody to buy this, so I'm going to price it really low. And so what happens actually when you do that is you're telling somebody that there's not a lot of value in this thing that they're purchasing. So it actually sends the opposite message of what you're wanting it to send. So we talk more about that in the pricing video, but then also we have a timeline video with a PDF that breaks down your timeline. And when I say timeline, I'm referring to, when do you advertise? When do you put the information out for people to purchase? When do you collect payment? There's actually lots of details involved in all of that. And so we go over that full timeline
Which
in
will
that
save you some
timeline video.
stress because if your timeline is off, it can feel very stressful putting together an event.
Right.
So that's a really amazing aspect of the course is learning how to do that. And then you can apply it to any event that you're doing.
Yes. So that's one of my favorite things in the course. Katina's going to tell you one of hers, and then I have another one that I'm going to tell you.
So one of the exciting things that I got to do, I've been wanting to do this for years, is teach how to make a PDF. I get compliments on my business PDFs all of the time. I have people that will say they love the way they look, they love the way they're laid out. And for years, I've wanted to teach a course on it and share how to do it because I love doing it. I love putting together PDFs. It is just the way my mind works. It's a very simple thing for me. And I love tech stuff. That's a little tidbit about me. I love like tech stuff and computer stuff. So in the course, there are 3 videos walking you through how to create a PDF. It won't matter what system you're using. You can apply what I share and what I teach you on any system that you're working on. And then you'll be able to put together amazing PDFs for any event you have. And then we also, like Wendy said, she mentioned in the beginning, we shared several past PDFs so that you could look at different ways, because I think every PDF I've put together for a paper party has been different based on the needs of the party. And so you're going to have lots of examples to be like, okay, I'm going to take this piece, or I want to copy this PDF exactly. So it's all there for you. So that is one of my most exciting things I feel like about the course, putting it together, was that PDF.
Yeah, I think that that probably is one of the most valuable things in the course. And then another thing that I really love in the course is I taught on how to package and ship your end product. I love packaging. I love making everything really beautiful. So I share my resources on where I get my clear bags and all the packaging fun stuff that I use. But I also share how to make labels super easy for all your paper packaging. And I actually created a PDF for every single designer series paper in the catalog. So you don't even have to do that for your paper party. Or even if you're not doing a paper party, if you're doing a paper share, or if you're just using paper throughout the Stampin' Up! Year and you want to use labels on the little packs of paper, you can use it for that. And I share the resource for where to get the labels and print them. And then all you have to do is print them right from the course. You don't have to do anything else. You can download them and print them. So you don't even have to make them.
A
So
lot of what we did in the course is legwork. I mean, a lot of the things that you will find in the course are just things that we've spent hours figuring out, going, finding links, finding product, and it's all laid out for you. So you don't have to do any of that, which is amazing.
yes, but then there's one thing that I think is our both of our favorite thing that we're both looking forward to the most, which Katina actually came up with this concept and I thought it was brilliant, to create a fake or a mock paper party. So we have a whole Facebook group that is just full of ideas and concepts and how we do a paper party.
The
And now,
greatest thing about the paper party, the fake paper party group, is everything that we did to create this, you're going to see throughout the videos. So you're going to see me create graphics. That's how the idea came about, is I was creating the graphics and I was like, well, I want to show them how to use these in the group. So we created the group. We walk you through creating a Facebook group. You can use that for your teams. You can use it for any event that you do. And then you're going to see all these aspects that we do loaded into that group. And you're going to see the final product and see how it
yeah,
all comes together, which is amazing.
it's really amazing, like so cool. But then, wait, there's more.
Wait, there's more.
We are going to go live in that group, Katina and I, on May 16th, so that we can answer questions, hang out with you, and just give you any extra information we've thought of since we created the course. This course is packed. I mean, it is packed. We go over advertising, email marketing, pricing, timeline, The
There's graphics and memes for you to use within
Mhm.
your paper parties. So there's all of that that you can snag and grab. The Facebook group is going to be great for networking. There's going to be other demonstrators who are doing these kinds of events that you can see who they are, chat with them. You can use the group as a practice way to upload memes or put posts up to get a feel for it, which is
Right,
amazing, especially if you're feeling a little bit nervous, like, oh, I'm not positive how this works. Come practice and come be able to ask questions.
right. So the course, like we said, is jam-packed. So we want to tell you how to get the best deal, the absolute best deal for your money. This course, I would say the value of this course is like 400 bucks. We priced it at 175. We wanted everybody to be able to get this course though. So we created an email list. There's a link below this video that gives you access to that email list. You can sign up for the email, and there's going to be emails that come out that give you access to the cheapest discount, the most discount that we're going to do, which is $75. So $100 off the course. But I'm thinking we should just share, like maybe we should just share the coupon code,
Let's do
and
that.
anybody who's watched this far, they'll like
Yeah.
get it.
Yep.
So what we're going to do is we're going to put the link to the paper party course below the video. You click that link. Over on the right hand side, there's a little spot that says add coupon code. Get ready. You're going to write this down. You're going to put in the coupon code email party. Okay? Email party. All one word. And we'll put the coupon code below too. And then you get the course for $75. This is only good until Friday. That's it. Friday, April 26th. We
Perfect.
actually already extended this because we had a little flub up, but we're extending it to April 26th at 11:59 p.m. So if you watch this video this far, and you do that coupon code, and let's say it's after April 26th, man, bummer, you missed it. It's okay because we still have an early bird special for you for $99. And that code is early party. And we'll add that code below too, in case you're watching this video after April 26th. So that's how you get the paper party course, the master class, and you have access to it forever. There's not ever like it'll be there for as long as you have a computer. So you can watch it as you go. There's no timeline as far as when you have to finish it by. And really
The
this
only
course,
thing that you want to make sure is get in now before our Facebook Live, because once we do
yeah,
the Facebook Live in the group, we're not doing a second live.
right.
And so if you want to get in there and you want to have specific questions for us to help you with or answer, you need to be in the group before that live so that you can participate in that.
However, it will be recorded and added to the group.
Yes.
So if it's after May 16th, you've missed the Facebook party part of it, it's okay. You'll still get to see it. And chances are, any questions you have, somebody else probably asked. So, it's still a great value, and it'll still be a lot of fun. And the recording will still be there. And you'll still get access to the Facebook group.
Yes.
So, I think that's everything that we wanted to cover. Do you think
That is.
do you think
Yeah,
that's
no,
everything
that's
we
it. That's it. We
Okay.
would just love for you to join us
Yeah.
and be a part of the course. It was really fun creating the course with Wendy. We got to talk about a little bit about our Stampin' Up! Story and how the paper party was created.
Yep.
We created this together several years ago. We're the original creators of it. So it was fun sharing that story and then sharing a little bit about our Stampin' Up! Story. And that's something that we get to talk about very often. So it was really fun putting the course together. And we're just looking forward to having you come and hang out with
Yeah,
us.
I guess that's true. Like I never thought about like our very first video in the course, we really spilled the tea
Yeah,
on like our journey. I
how
mean,
it
there's
all
some
happened.
I mean, there's some embarrassing stuff in there from me.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
how I even purchased my starter kit is embarrassing, but I'm not going to share that publicly. So
Right.
it's
It
in the
was fun
course.
just talking about it and getting
It
to
was.
share
It was a
about it.
lot of fun creating the course,
Yeah.
and it's a
It's
lot
something
like
we've really
this.
worked on for a long time. I mean, we've been
Yeah.
working on this for months. And so to see
Yeah.
it all come together and get finished up, it just was really fun creating this with Wendy and being able to do that. So I'm
Yeah.
excited about it.
I am too. All right. Well, thank you all for tuning in and watching this YouTube video. I hope that it answers some of your questions about the course. We have gotten a few questions here and there. How much is it? You know, what does it really include? What's it like? And we did do a video like scrolling through it so you could see the inside of it. So we'll try to make sure we link to that video so you can see that one as well. But yeah, so we hope you join us, and don't forget to check out the link below the video, and we'll see you soon.
Thanks,
Bye.
everyone. Have a great day.